In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your local game files on Steam the easy way. If you've ever wanted to install a mod, back up a save, create a desktop shortcut, or troubleshoot a crash, the fastest route is to open the game's actual installation folder. Steam gives you a direct, reliable way to get there without digging through system folders or guessing where the game is installed. Start by launching the Steam client on your computer. Once it's open, head to the library. That's the section where all your games are listed, whether they're installed right now or not. Find the game you're interested in on the left sidebar or in the grid view. If the game isn't currently installed, the option we're about to use won't be available, so keep in mind you'll need it installed to proceed. Right-click the game's name and choose Properties. A new window will open that's dedicated to that specific game and its settings. In this window, switch to the Local Files tab. This area is all about the files stored on your machine, and it's where Steam centralizes tools related to the game's data. The button you're looking for is labeled Browse Local Files. Click it, and Steam will instantly open your operating system's file manager directly to that game's installation folder. On Windows you'll see File Explorer, on macOS this opens in Finder, and on Linux it opens in your default file manager. From here, you're in the real folder where the game lives. You'll typically see the main executable, support files, and subfolders like binaries, content, or mods, depending on the title. This is the location guides refer to when they say to place a file in the game directory. Be careful when changing or deleting anything here. Removing or renaming files can break the game, and some titles depend on a specific structure to work properly. If something does go wrong, Steam can restore missing or altered files from that same local files area. The best part is that this method works no matter where the game is installed. Whether your library is on your main drive, an external SSD, or split across multiple locations, Steam takes you straight to the correct folder every time. No guessing, no manual searches, and no need to remember exact paths. That's all there is to it. Using Browse Local Files is the simplest, most consistent way to reach your game's installation folder and get things done quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.